All right, today we are going to show you what the inside of this LaZBoy chair looks like. This is one of our most popular chairs. We replace a lot of components on this chair, so you recognize it maybe by that remote. It's got power headrest, power lumbar, 2 motors in the chair. It's got a junction box, a power supply. But what we're going to do is we're going to strip everything off of this. We're going to show you how that works so that when you do have to replace your components, you can see the inside of the chair, know which part you need, what piece you need, what motor, whatever it is. But we're going to see it. So here's what it looks like now. With a little bit of work, now we have this. All right, let's cut this sucker open and let's see what it looks like. We're going to strip this thing down of everything. So here we go. See you later, fabric. See you later, foam. With a little bit of work, now we have this.